that's how we have made it. There are different instruments, gives different accuracies and stuff, so that's what we are trying to highlight here. Uh, I, pardon? Pardon? No, this was done on an Android. The roadbook was made on an Android. That's right. I'm just telling you what I've prepared it with. It has nothing to do with what you use. You cannot. Whatever you use. Pardon? Okay. we'll give you a. Okay. We'll give you a printed road book, something like Smriti will just show you, at the 10 minutes before your start. The start marshals will issue you a road book as well as a speed chart 10 minutes before your start time. So when you get the road book, just go through the pages. If there's any missing page, or sometimes the pages flip or something, so you'll have something like that, a road book like that, which is going to be a physical. I think we gave a sample road book in the mail, right, for you to try. So it's going to be very similar to that. There's no difference much. I'll explain about the road book in the next slide as well. So the road book is going to have.
This is my first time for a car rally, my childhood passion, and I'm so excited, super excited.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here you go, all the best.
So we're all set for a rally tomorrow. It's going to be a maiden rally for three of us, me, Green and Ruchi, and we're all excited. A lot of calculation. This is going to be the first time, and I'm sure we'll enjoy the ride.
That I'm participating in for the first time, an all-women car rally, so that gets me even more excited.
We're very, very excited to be part of Purple Fire Rally and looking forward to many more such events. Dr. Ruchi Mishra, and we had a very fun experience. It was the next day of our rally.
छोड़ेंगे मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
As the film talked about lifestyle, yes, that has a significant
rallied around, and I actually mean a rally. 45 गाड़ियां आज दिल्ली से चली हैं, and they have come to spread awareness. All these rallies were women like you, and amazingly supported by their spouses and families, which were the men in our audience. Congratulations to all of us. अब मैं माइक डॉक्टर भाई.
The Forum for Breast Cancer Protection, fighting cancer regardless.
Breast cancer. The one that we are going to share now with you, I can see a lot of young girls here from schools. Thank you so much, the students as well as the teachers, for bringing them over, because I think this is the age when your body as well as a disease that is the most common cancer amongst women. And now we know that statistics tell us that it is the most common cancer in women in India as well.
इसका पूरा इलाज हो सकता है.
Is present in my breast. तो जब मैंने अपने डॉक्टर को ये चीज़ कंसल्ट की तो उन्होंने बोला कि अगर आप कुछ टाइम पहले आते तो वो अगर छोटा होता साइज में तो दवाई से वो कर सकता था, पर अभी उसका कोई चांस नहीं, आपको ऑपरेशन ही कराना पड़ेगा. तो मेरा सवाल ये है कि कैसे हम वो चीज़ पता कर सकते हैं पहले ही ताकि हमें आगे चल के ऑपरेशन की ज़रूरत ना पड़े.
ब्रेस्ट में बहुत तरह के लम्प्स होते हैं, बहुत तरह की गांठें होती हैं, and some of them are cysts. And what we also need to know is that 9 out of 10 lumps in the breast are non-cancerous.
शुरू तो एक छोटी सी गिल्टी से होता है, लेकिन शक, सवाल, शंका उसी में पहले तो शेयर नहीं करते हैं, शेयर करते हैं तो आसपास वाले इतना तवज्जो नहीं देते हैं. हस्बैंड को बताया, हस्बैंड ठीक हो जाएगा, वाहिगुरु का नाम लो. न जाने फिर वो गलती बढ़ती रहती है. एंड लेटर ऑन बिकॉज यू नॉट गॉन थ्रू द अर्ली डिटेक्शन देन यू पे अ बिग प्राइस फॉर दैट. मैं तो फौजी आदमी हूं, मैंने एक चीज देखी है जिंदगी में, ये तो वर्ड होता है ना एरर, ERROR, एरर. अगर इसको छोटे में नहीं पकड़ेंगे ना, एरर को छोटे में नहीं पकड़ेंगे तो बड़ा होकर ये टेरर बन जाता है, तो टेररिज्म का हिस्सा बन जाता है. आपने बहुत सुंदरता से बताया कि 10 में से 9 जो ऐसे गांठे हैं, दे आर नॉट वन विच विल लीड टू कैंसर, बट उसको चेक करना होगा.
Thana Nagina, no, it doesn't look like a thana. नहीं, ये तो लगा हुआ है, पुल तो है यहाँ पे. सीधा ही चला ना, सीधा.
राजीव गांधी नवोदय विद्यालय, यही ना, मार्क कर लो. ठीक है, ठीक है, ये आया हमारा 45.3 पे. उसके बाद चलो अभी तो यही है 20. ठीक है, 46.2.
Heartiest congratulations, guys. Well deserved.
Hi, my team, Savita Reddy, Kavita Golecha, and Deepa, 3 of us have come from Hyderabad. Naina Abrol, we drove her car. She's from Delhi. So all of us came and we had a great time, and it was a lovely place meeting all of you and all of you lovely people. It was super fun. Thank you so much.